Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove a watermark from a PDF file using I Love PDF. This is a quick and easy way to clean up your PDF without installing any software. So let's get started right away. First, open your browser and go to www.ilovepdf.com. Once the page loads, you'll see a bunch of different tools for working with PDF files. To remove a watermark, the best method is to use the Edit PDF feature. So, click on Edit PDF from the list of tools. Next, click the Select PDF File button and upload the file that has the watermark. You can choose the file from your computer or drag and drop it directly into the page. Once your PDF is uploaded, you'll see it displayed on your screen with all its pages. Now this part is simple. Use the white rectangle or shape tool on the editing panel to cover up the watermark. You can adjust the size and position of the shape so it neatly hides the watermark text or image. If the watermark appears on multiple pages, you can do the same thing on each page where it shows up. When you're done covering the watermarks, go to the top right corner and click Edit PDF or Apply Changes. I Love PDF will process your file for a few seconds and create a new version without the visible watermark. Once it's ready, just click the Download PDF button to save the edited file to your computer. Open it up to double-check that the watermark has been removed or hidden. And that's it! You've successfully removed a watermark from your PDF using I Love PDF. It's quick, easy, and completely online. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more simple tech tutorials just like this one.